What if a simple bedtime drink could help your liver detox and improve your sleep at the same time? It sounds too good to be true, right? But it isn't. The liver works hard to detoxify your body while you sleep, but it needs the right conditions to do so. Stress, dehydration, and fluctuating blood sugar levels can get in the way, causing sluggish liver function, poor sleep, and even morning fatigue. In today's video, we're going to share an easy and natural bedtime drink that supports your liver, helps it detox efficiently overnight, and encourages better sleep. Stay tuned to learn how this simple routine can make a huge difference in your health. The importance of supporting your liver at night. Your liver works tirelessly while you sleep. It's responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, regulating blood sugar, and producing bile to help digest fats. However, when your liver is overworked, it struggles to perform these essential tasks. Dehydration, poor digestion, or low blood sugar can all increase stress levels and block the liver's ability to detox effectively. This not only affects the liver but also disturbs your sleep cycle. Cortisol and adrenaline, stress hormones that keep you awake, flood the body as the liver works inefficiently. This can cause you to wake up feeling groggy, bloated, or foggy. The good news is that you can help your liver by giving it the support it needs before bed. The bedtime drink recipe. So, what's the magic drink that can help your liver function better overnight? It's simple. All you need is 1 to 1.5 cups of warm water, not hot. Add the juice of half a fresh lemon and a tiny pinch of salt, about 1/16 of a teaspoon. Finally, stir in half a teaspoon of honey. This drink is designed to hydrate your body, support bile flow, and stabilize your blood sugar before you go to sleep. Lemon juice helps by stimulating bile production, which enhances the liver's ability to break down fats and flush out toxins more efficiently. The small amount of honey ensures your blood sugar remains steady throughout the night, preventing any sudden drops that could disturb your sleep. The salt not only balances electrolytes but also helps the liver maintain its detox functions by regulating fluid levels. By drinking this simple concoction, you are giving your liver the tools it needs to work its best while you rest. Plus, the natural ingredients provide essential nutrients that support overall liver health. This bedtime drink is an easy, holistic way to enhance your body's natural detox processes, ensuring your liver does its job without unnecessary interference. How it works. This bedtime drink is not about forcing your liver into overdrive, it's about creating the optimal conditions for your liver to work naturally. Hydration is crucial, as even mild dehydration can slow liver circulation, leading to stress responses. When the liver's detox process is interrupted, toxins accumulate, and the liver can't function properly. By staying hydrated, you keep blood circulation steady, allowing the liver to process toxins efficiently overnight. Bile flow is another key component. Bile helps the liver break down waste and neutralize harmful substances. However, when bile production slows, waste backs up in the liver, leading to inflammation and discomfort. This drink supports bile production, so toxins can be flushed out more effectively. Additionally, stable blood sugar levels are essential. If your liver runs low on stored fuel during sleep, your body releases cortisol and adrenaline to raise blood sugar. These stress hormones, in turn, interfere with sleep quality and disturb your body's natural healing processes. This simple drink supports the liver's natural functions by stabilizing blood sugar and reducing cortisol, creating the perfect environment for restful sleep and optimal detoxification. Real results. How this drink helps. After using this bedtime drink regularly, many people report feeling less bloated and having more energy in the morning. You'll likely notice better sleep, as your body isn't being kept awake by stress hormones. By supporting the liver's natural detox process, your body can enter a more restful state. Since the liver is detoxing effectively during the night, you'll wake up feeling refreshed, less foggy, and more focused. The magic of this drink lies in its gentle approach to liver detox, making it easier for your body to complete its nightly tasks without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. When you wake up in the morning, your liver has had time to perform its natural functions without any interference, which helps you feel more vibrant and energized. This drink doesn't force your body to detox aggressively. Instead, it encourages smooth, uninterrupted liver function throughout the night. Why this drink works? The beauty of this bedtime drink lies in its simplicity. It's not about aggressively forcing detox or sleep but supporting your body's natural processes. Your liver does the hard work of detoxing overnight, but it can only do this when there's no interference from dehydration, low blood sugar, or sluggish bile flow. By hydrating, balancing electrolytes, and stabilizing blood sugar, this drink removes the barriers that prevent your liver from functioning properly. The addition of lemon, salt, and honey works synergistically to create an environment where your liver can cleanse effectively. Lemon juice stimulates bile production, the salt helps maintain fluid balance, and honey stabilizes blood sugar, all factors that are essential for a smooth liver detox process. This helps improve your sleep quality, reduce morning fog, and supports your liver's health in the long run. By incorporating this drink into your nightly routine, you can enhance your liver's ability to perform its vital functions without added stress. The importance of liver detoxification. Now that you know how this bedtime drink supports liver function, it's important to understand why liver detoxification is so crucial. The liver is involved in many functions that support overall health, such as metabolizing nutrients, storing vitamins and minerals, and detoxifying the blood. When the liver becomes overburdened by toxins, stress hormones, or poor diet, it can no longer perform these tasks effectively. This can lead to issues like chronic fatigue, poor digestion, and skin problems. Liver detoxification helps ensure that toxins are efficiently removed from the body, allowing other organs to function properly. When your liver is detoxing effectively, you will notice improvements in energy levels, digestion, and even your mood. This is why it's so important to support your liver's natural detoxification process through good habits, a healthy diet, and, of course, our bedtime drink. Eating for liver health, supporting detoxification. In addition to the bedtime drink, eating the right foods plays a key role in supporting liver health and detoxification. A diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber helps reduce liver inflammation, improve bile flow, and support overall liver function. Some foods that are especially beneficial for liver health include leafy greens, garlic, turmeric, and beets, which are known for their liver cleansing properties. Avoiding processed foods, refined sugars, and alcohol is equally important. These substances can increase the burden on your liver, impairing its ability to detoxify the body effectively. Incorporating liver-supporting foods into your diet can help enhance the benefits of the bedtime drink and provide long-term support for your liver health. Additional tips for a healthy liver. To further support your liver, there are several lifestyle changes you can make in addition to drinking the bedtime drink. Regular physical activity helps improve circulation and metabolism, making it easier for the liver to process toxins and waste. A balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can provide your liver with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Sleep is another crucial factor in liver health. Since most of the liver's detoxification processes occur during the night, ensuring you get enough rest is vital for liver recovery and overall health. Practice good sleep hygiene by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, reducing screen time before bed, and creating a calming bedtime routine. Incorporating this simple, natural bedtime drink into your nightly routine can work wonders for your liver health. By supporting liver detoxification, improving bile flow, and stabilizing blood sugar, you're giving your liver the best chance to function optimally and detoxify efficiently. This drink helps remove barriers to liver health, making it easier for your liver to do the work it's naturally designed to do, leading to better sleep and overall well-being. If you're ready to give this drink a try, start tonight and see how it improves your liver health and sleep. The best part? You don't need any complicated procedures or expensive supplements, just a few simple, natural ingredients that will help your body detoxify overnight. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you've tried the drink or if you have any tips for supporting liver health. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.